really don't know, but we gotta figure this out.
The first place I decided to check was the battery. A healthy battery should be around 12.6 volts, and my battery here was exactly 12.6. Rule that out. Also made sure the connections were secure, and sure enough they were. Next, I looked into the fuse box. I then found the 20 amp fuel pump fuse, as you can see here, and it looks perfectly fine. The connection isn't loose or anything either, so let's rule it out too. I then saw a comment that said sometimes this dude's car doesn't start because the gas cap isn't on all the way. So just in case, I double checked that, but as of now, I don't know if what I did made a difference, but the car wants to start and I'm not complaining. Don't worry, we actually figure out the issue later.
All right, so we're about 5 minutes out.